Managing products across deals in HubSpot often means repeating the same setup again and again. Copy line items helps simplify this process. Copy line items is a lightweight HubSpot add-on that allows you to copy one or multiple line items from one deal to another directly from the deal interface. Instead of manually recreating products, quantities, and prices, you can quickly select the line items you need and copy them to another deal. This helps teams maintain consistent product configurations while saving time on repetitive work. The app is especially useful for renewals, upsells, or situations where similar product packages are used across multiple deals. Copy line items works directly inside the deal view, so there is no need to open workflows or external tools. Everything happens in just a few clicks. Installation is quick through the HubSpot marketplace, and once installed, the copy option becomes available right inside your deal interface. If your team regularly recreates the same product setups, copy line items can make the process faster, cleaner, and much more efficient.